Campeones, campeones, ole, ole, ole. Campeones, campeones, ole, ole. My loan to Man City is looking kind of calm, I can't lie. Yeah? Who cares one? Who cares zero? It was the who cares derby today. Nobody cares. Yeah? The only team that do care are a team that didn't even kick a ball today and have won the league. And people want to come at me. You want to come at me? Cool. Let me tell you right now, 6 weeks ago, we were 8 points clear. 8 points clear. 8. But who predicted it? Oh, but nobody predicted Arsenal. Oh, but nobody predicted. Okay, cool. Did anyone predict Arsenal to bottle it? Okay, no, they didn't, did they? Oh, but nobody expected it. Nobody expected it. Okay, why you all been trusting the youth project process? Yeah? Phase 3 in that. Ian Wright's going to be woohoo, wheeling out the new kit next weekend against Wolves for next season. Season tickets need to be renewed by the 7th of June, 2 days after my birthday, 5th of June. Remember that. Come on. Sub to the channel. Sub to League Gunner Reacts. But it is what it is. Yeah, we're overachieving. We're overachieving. Cool. Benjamin Tan. Yeah, Benjamin Tan's already booked up to go and see Wayno at Ocean Beach. You know, Thomas party, Thomas family gathering. No, Thomas funeral settings, mate. Thomas wake settings. Yeah? Oh, but we miss Salibali. Yeah? Oh, it's a thin squad. Yeah? Let me tell you something. You see that big blue shark, yeah? That big blue shark ate the fish that we were going to fry. It's also eating the dog. The big blue shark ate the dog that we have employed to give feel-good vibes around London Colney. What other football club on the planet employs a dog to give feel-good vibes around the training ground? Vinicius Jr. I'm not going to paraphrase, so I want to read this out. I'm not going to paraphrase. Smash the like button, sub to the channel. I'm here all week. I'll be back again. Vinicius Jr. Everything I did this year just to not win the Champions League and La Liga is a little frustrating for me. He then goes on. I would trade all of my goals and assists to be in another Champions League final. Meanwhile, Eddie Nketiah. Man's wearing bad man shirt. Bad man. I'll get my lefts and my rights together in a minute. Bad man shirt, yeah? Eddie Nketiah on his season. It's been good. There's been a lot of highlights. When I came back into the team after a break around December, I had a really good 2 or 3 months where I was playing regularly, scoring goals and helping the team in big matches, which was really good. I had a little injury and missed a little bit at the end of the season. But I think overall, looking at the season, it's been a positive one. I've had a good impact in a title contending team. So I'm happy with my progress. And I know I've still got so much more to give, which is the exciting thing. I'm just working hard and I'll keep pushing and achieving things with the club. What have you achieved this season, mate? What have you achieved? You're wearing Thierry Henry's number, 100 bags a week. We got bad man like Vinny, yeah? The real star boy. Did anyone see Starboy today? Oh, is it racially motivated if you call it? Oh, sorry. My bad. Watch it, drink it in. Not allowed to call Starboy out. Of course not. Anyone seen Gibraltar Guard? There's been a lot of bad performances under this manager. Burnley 1-0. First time since, 74? Wolves since, 72? Leicester since the 70s. Aston Villa, biggest defeat at our ground since 1928. He's broken a lot of unwanted records, including the biggest bottle jobs in Premier League history. And we're handing out sweets. We're handing out sweets. Here you go, Aaron Ramsdale. Have a new contract. You've won nothing for 2 seasons. Have a new deal. Have a new deal, mate. Have a new deal. Listen to this. Guti, Real Madrid legend, by the way. All the players and Ancelotti were bad. I only saved Courtois. Okay, cool. Cool. I am disappointed we did not play Courtois. Guti, the plan was to pass to Vinicius, and they didn't even do that. Meanwhile, we've got our ex-players twerking all over social media, all over ESPN, Sky Sports, BT Sport, Talk Sport. Real Madrid players, they kind of get it. Ex-players get it as well. Yeah. Vinicius Jr. mid-game. Are we going to play? Fuck. What are we waiting for? They didn't ask Ancelotti at full time. What did Vinicius say to you? Ancelotti, I can't remember. Cool. No drama. No problema. When Arsenal team arrived at London Colney on Tuesday morning following the defeat to Brighton, they were expecting the usual post-match debrief from Mikel Arteta. He prefers to wait 2 days after a disappointing result. Wow. Before talking to the squad about what had gone on. But he did not want to talk about the Brighton game. This time, the Arsenal boss instead chose to look at the bigger picture and reminded his players of what they have achieved this season and to show them how far they have come as a team and developed. Okay. He also told the players that if they win all of their remaining matches, which we didn't because we lost today, no other Arsenal team in Premier League history would have had more wins. But that went well, didn't it? So let's put this into perspective. Tottenham bottled the league to Chelsea. Record-breaking Chelsea. 30 wins in a season. That same season, a washed-up Arsene Wenger, who was completely washed, beat that record-breaking Chelsea team with Per Mertesacker at centre-back in a cup final. I was there. Big up Ola and Kenny. Big up Lewis. Yeah, big up my boy Sam. Big up everyone who was there. Yeah. They got 86 points, that Tottenham team under Poch. How much did he have spent at that point? Leave it in the chat. How much did Poch spend to get 86 points and finish second? With a younger squad than we have. But don't worry, we're in phase 3. Ian writes super gassed for phase 4. Woohoo! We'll live out next week with the new merch. But don't worry, Ray Parler will be on the pre-season tour. Yeah, in America. Cheers, guys. Ray Parler voice. The fact and reality is, we have spent 500 million quid nearly. And this is the first season in 3 full seasons that we finished above Unai Emery's only season. And we've only got 10 points more. So you're telling me that he actually won the cup with Unai Emery's team. We've only got 6 players left of that squad. He's signed 21 players, done nearly $500 million, won nothing in between, and we've only amassed 10 points more. 10 points more. That's 3 wins and a draw. We put the pressure on. We got a young squad, mate. Young manager. End this facade tonight. Bin him. Get him out. Sack him. But I'm negative. I'm toxic. Yeah. I'm negative and toxic. All you people, yeah, you're all deluded, mate. Yeah, all deluded. You've all definitely had a snide cold. Yeah, you've all done the PCRs. You've all had the experimental needle. Yeah, you're all wearing face nappies. Yeah, you're all sheep. Yeah, half of you believe what I'm saying, but you don't like the way I'm saying it. Half of you agree with what I'm saying, but you don't like the way I'm saying it. You don't want to put your head above the parapet because you see the toxicity that I get, the negativity against me. Yeah, let me tell you something right now. Yeah, that rat, that's not a rat, that's Vieira. That rat. The rat. There. The rat. The prat in the hat. The prick in the nick. 9 minutes of Mazza, yeah? Told me, and everyone, if you want Arteta out, you're a rat. Calma, tranquila. Vamos. Yeah? Relax. The next season, we're in the mud. And then we went from 4th to 5th. This season, we're flip-flops. Well, I don't wear flip-flops. I actually wear sliders with socks, because that's how I roll. In shorts. Yeah, Golden Child FC. Yeah. Next season, I told man, big up Ranceroni, the t-shirt's en route. Yeah, I told man. And all you people that have been sat on the fence, flipping and flopping, playing the game, not wanting to watch my videos. And if you do watch my videos, you're not commenting, even though you used to be the first in the chat and all of that, yeah? No drama, no problema. I'm here for it. I'm calm with it. Yeah, I couldn't care less. Yeah, because I would always speak from here. And I would always say what is on my mind, in my heart, and in my stomach about this football club. Yeah, this club is a PR agency and a disgrace and a merchandise line, a clothing brand. He looks the part, he talks the part, he's great public speaker. Maybe get him at Speaker's Corner. But the PR around this guy, yeah, cool. Ultimately, you can't fake being real. And if you can, you can't fake it forever. And ultimately, for 2 years straight, this guy has faked it. Bottled top 4, bottled the league. We'll give him a pass because he won the FA Cup for the first year after that. Karma, cool. But the last 2 seasons, this guy's highlighted himself, and so have all them players. No drama, mate. Yeah, sack them all, bin them all. Yeah, and that dog called Win. Cool. You ain't fooling me, mate. And on that bombshell, sub to the channel. We'll be doing this all over again. Monday on the podcast. Kenny and Jez are up next. Adios, amigos. Arteta fuera. Para siempre.